India would be a global player in digital economy, told by Sundar Pichai. Is it fantasy or reality? Hey, this is Kasturi and you are watching SST Buzz. In today's session, we are going to discuss about historical changes in economic sectors and why tertiary sector is getting importance day by day. Are you ready? Let's get going. चलो तो फिर हम हिस्टोरिकल चेंजेस इन सेक्टर ये टॉपिक के बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिफरेंशिएट. सो ये पास्ट लिखा है मीन्स 150 ईयर्स बैक व्हाट वाज द सिचुएशन एंड लास्ट 150 to 100 ईयर्स व्हाट टाइप ऑफ चेंजेस वी हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड. ठीक है, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है. इट्स रियली वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. जस्ट बी विथ मी एंड एंजॉय. Okay, first we are going to write that handloom. हमें सबको पता है कि weavers they used to weave clothes and the people used to use. Now ये handloom से convert हो गया factory goods. So फैक्ट्री गुड्स का क्या एडवांटेज क्या है? एक तो अवेलेबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है एंड सेकंड क्या है कि इट्स वेरी चीप. सो डेफिनेटली अगर सस्ता है तो एवरीवन विल प्रेफर दैट वन. ठीक है, सो हैंडलूम प्रोडक्ट चेंज बाय द टाइम इनटू फैक्ट्री गुड्स. दैट इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. नाउ द सेकंड चेंजेस क्या है? एग्रीकल्चर. Now agriculture it was mainly people's main occupation. Maximum 80% people they were involved into agriculture. Now it would be shifted for factory jobs. क्यों? क्योंकि एग्रीकल्चर में क्या है, समटाइम्स ड्यू टू नेचुरल कैलामिटीज एंड ऑल पीपल आर नॉट गेटिंग दैट मच प्रॉफिट, बट हियर फॉर फैक्ट्री जॉब मंथली दे आर गेटिंग सैलरी. So that's why even when British era was there, on that time people had to cultivate forcefully, but there was no profit. So that agriculture transferred, converted into factory job. Now third one, that earlier what was there? Traditional farming. Yes, we know earlier farmer used to cultivate only for their own consumption, अपने घर पे to run their family. But later on that traditional farming converted into modern farming. ठीक है, so traditional farming converted into modern farming. Modern farming actually it was started by 1960 due to grain revolution. So अभी modern farming हो जाने के बाद what type of changes we can find out? So here look, transport और भी ज़्यादा चाहिए, बैंकिंग, फार्मर को लोन चाहिए, सो बैंकिंग. नाउ प्रोडक्शन बहुत ज़्यादा, सो कभी कभी एक्सपोर्ट भी कर रहे हैं, सो ट्रेड. देन फ्रॉम दैट एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट क्राफ्ट मटेरियल आर प्रिपेयर्ड. सो यू कैन फाइंड आउट ओवर हियर. सो देखो, ड्यू टू मॉडर्न फार्मिंग all these are the alternatives area, that alternatives that sector, alternative ways to earn money. तो पहले क्या था? only traditional farming. So the moment modern farming आ गया है, so due to modern farming इतने सारे these are lot many ways are in front of people. So these are clear. So now you can find out factory job, handloom, that definitely primary sector, then factory job secondary sector. Here factory job, even factory products, all these are secondary sector. Here due to modern farming all these are tertiary sector. So it is clear that earlier only people depended on primary sector, but by the time that sector has been changed, and that sector has been shifted from primary sector to secondary sector and gradually tertiary sector. Now we are going to take this three color. First one primary sector, then again by red color secondary sector, and third one by green color tertiary sector. देखो, now what we are going to do, why we have made that graph. क्योंकि earlier primary sector it was there, but gradually we have observed the has पहले secondary sector emerge किया, then tertiary sector emerge किया. So gradually, है ना? Is it clear to everyone? Yes, I hope it is very clear to you. Hey, no need to be scared. Your understanding is my duty, my responsibility. तो चलो start करते हैं कि share of sectors in GDP. तो ये टॉपिक में हम पहले देखो, ऑलरेडी आई हैव मेड ए ग्राफ. थ्रू दिस ग्राफ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड कि हाउ बाय द टाइम sectors demand has been changed. Okay, so now first one we have taken 1973 to 74, and the second year span we have taken 2013 to 14. Approximate in between 40 years का difference है. So in this 40 years, how that economic sector has been changed their place, वो हम जानेंगे. ठीक है. So now first one देखो. Here you can find out 50% people they are depending on agriculture, that is P for primary sector. Now 10% here you can find out that is for secondary sector, means factory. Now that 40% they on that time 1973 74, so 40% they were involved into that tertiary sector. Now your question would be there, ma'am, why 40%? क्योंकि देखो 10% only for secondary sector, और factory goods नहीं है तो फिर weavers तो कपड़े बनाना ही पड़ेगा, porter, cobblers, everyone they will have to give their product. So definitely that's why 40%. Why? Because 10% factory products, so that's why 40%. Now after 40 years what kind of changes? जो क्या ना यहाँ पे 50% एग्रीकल्चर था, that had been converted into 10%, that had been reduced by 10%. And here 10% secondary sector था, so here after 40 years it has been increased 10% more, so it's 20%. And third one is there, here you can find out 40% tertiary sector, and that has been increased by 70%. Now we can find out with this help of graph, we can get idea what type of changes we are finding, that is 70% in tertiary sector. Now a big question mark, why tertiary sector is getting importance day by day? Have you found? Chalo. So first point we have written, need of common services. Need of common services means day to day life में जो भी हमें चाहिए. It may be school, colleges, hospital, even transport, bank. Just take example of school. Earlier only in village level 1 or 2 school were there, but at today's scenario is different. In a same village or in a same city, 20 to 25 school you can go through. Okay, so now even you can take example of bank also. Earlier bank के लिए grandpa को कितना दूर जाना पड़ता था, but nowadays 30 to 40 banks are there in different branch in single city. So that is known as, that is the first point. Now we will go for the second point. In second point, development in agriculture and industry. Development in agriculture and industry. Here, so now your question would be there, ma'am, here to 10% only agriculture. So why, how, what kind of development? Here actually that this is actually commercial farming, and where commercial farming, modern farming is there, so definitely need of tertiary sector would be more. Why? Transportation, because of vast production, so banking is needed for farmer, self farmer, they can take loan, है ना. तो that's why agriculture ज़्यादा तो नहीं है, but that is in commercial form, modern farming form and intensive farming actually. So that's why. Now industry definitely 10% has been increased. So अगर 10% has been increased, so tertiary sector, they are actually service sector, so they are going to give help to industry. Now third point is there, high standard of living, and for this point I must say कि you can explain better than me. Now पूछो क्यों? Reason is there that you need to ask your grandpa, grandma. देखना just ये पूछना कि how you used to celebrate on those days, that birthday and anniversary, all these things. So definitely they will tell, हाँ घर पे कुछ खीर बनाते थे और sweet dessert बनाते थे और enjoy करते थे. But now at present day, for your birthday you are arranging hotel, and there all these friends will go, and that would be also pizza and burger must be there, isn't? So now one more example. So here we can find out high standard of living. Time के साथ साथ कैसे lifestyle means living standard कैसे high हो गया. I must share one thing. अर्लियर क्या होता था, विलेज में किसी को जॉब मिल गया, किसी के घर में बच्चे को जॉब मिल गया, या तो सिटी में, तो वो सबको मिठाइयाँ बांटते थे. क्यों? क्योंकि बच्चे को जॉब मिला, तो फिर दैट्स वाई वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग. नाउ इट इज यू पीपल आर सेलिब्रेटिंग किस तरीके का, हाउ इट इज एक टर्म एग्जाम्स हो जाने के बाद, आफ्टर द होल ईयर एग्जाम्स वो तो छोड़ ही दो, टर्म एग्जाम्स जैसे ही कंप्लीट हो जाता है, मैम वी आर गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट what end of the means we have completed our one exams, so we are going to celebrate with our friends. So this is also a day-to-day life example for the high standard of living. Now next one is there, demand for services in of IT sector. This point also we can take from day-to-day life. How it is now, you can find out last 2-3 years if you are if you are taking that taking the situation from your surroundings, you can get idea that after 12th जैसे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में एडमिशन का काम स्टार्ट हो जाता है, पहले आईटी सेक्टर का जो भी आईटी वाले को, आईटी स्टूडेंट्स का जो सीट होता है वो सारे बुक हो जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि nowadays students are also very much interested for IT sector. वो क्यों? क्योंकि they are getting different new varieties of job. So job availability is more over here. So that's why they are preferring to go for IT sector. So these are the reason, because of that tertiary sector is getting importance day by day. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, feel free to share with me. I will be waiting for that. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Tata. Bye bye.